Today we're going to go over the bill payment calendar. Let's go. What's up, everyone? This is Terrell, and welcome to the Wealth Builders YouTube channel, where we help you maximize your income, build assets, and create financial independence. We did a tutorial of the expense tracker worksheet, so now we need to take that information and load it onto the bill calendar worksheet. So we're going to do that right now. So this is the bill payment calendar worksheet, and we're just transferring the expense tracker information or expense tracker worksheet information over to this calendar. So if you haven't filled out your expense tracker worksheet, go in the description, download the advanced budgeting guide. Both worksheets are in there. Uh, Look at the video, fill it out, and then come right back because we're about to get started. So, like I said before, we're just transferring the information from the expense tracker worksheet on over to here. So we have 4,000 was our income. If you want, this worksheet is made to, you'll have multiple. So if you want to make this your main worksheet and just put the information in there, you'll have it in there. But if you want to have multiple sheets, you could have one worksheet for each month. I'll leave that up to you. I'm just gonna leave it blank. So I did make a mistake on the count. I left out the $20 on the monthly expense section on the expense tracker. So we were off. So the expenses instead of being $3,880 is $3,900. So, and that also brings our cash flow down. So our cash flow is $100. So we definitely gonna work on that. Oh, what's going on here? Oh, here we go. Get that in there. So that's section 1. Now I'm gonna work on section 2, which is the weekly bills. And that is a typo. So I guess you do need to get this in here. So this is September. So you want to start from the first date because you want to know how these are numbered. So the start date, you want to put from the first to the ending of the day, because reason why you're gonna put your dates in, and the reason why you're not putting the start date like we did on the expense tracker, we're not starting from where our when we got paid, is because you want to put the whole date in so you know how to number it once you get to the dates down here. So September, you need to know what day September 1st starts on. So it starts on Tuesday. So that'll be number 1. But I'll go and put all that in and then I'll come right back. All right, so I've got everything logged in and we're ready to go. So we're gonna start with the weekly bills over here to your left, and over here to your right, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. So your weekly bills are gonna, here we go. So your weekly bills are gonna be right after another each week. So we're doing our food and gas on Fridays. and that's logged in. Then on Saturday, we have lawn and family expenses that we'll pay every week. But look here on the 19th. So what I did is I went ahead and logged in all my monthly bills, and then I went in to put in my weekly bills, and now we're overlapping. So if you're not doing this on paper, and you'll be doing this on this form on your phone or computer. So this is what I did. So you have your car insurance here. That took out the lawn expense for the 19th. So what I did, I came over here on the 17th and put in your expenses for your lawn, and I put a little note, pay on Friday. So that'll make that simple for you. So now Sunday we're doing Starbucks and haircut or salon or whatever you're getting done. And then you come, excuse me. So you come down here on the 19th, and we have a monthly bill for our electric or our lights for $190. So that took out the expense for Starbucks. So what I did, I put Starbucks over here on the 10th, and I put a little note, pay on Sunday, or pay this bill for Sunday. So if you want to pay it early and pay it here, that way is you have the money when you go to Starbucks on Sunday. There you go. And that's how you do it. So now the monthly bill. So you have your car note here on the 1st. You have your rent on the 2nd. Personal cable, personal line of credit, credit card. You come down here to 16th. You have your savings. And then I like to put anything dealing with business the last week of that month. So on the 1st, I'm starting fresh, and I know I have the capital to purchase or do whatever I need to do with that money. So that's a little tip there. But yeah, but that's it. It's pretty simple. Once you get this information logged in, it saves you so much time. You don't have to think about it. You can have everything automated. We'll start setting up the WellVote, all of the accounts once we get all of this down, and that'll help you even more to streamline everything. And this is the quickest way I know to keep your bills on track. So I like to put things on paper, but I did want to give y'all another option to be able to do it on your phone or on your computer. So, but that's it. Quick and easy. Just go in and take your information from your expense tracker, log it in here, and you're good to go.